Let's begin our journey into God's mercy with Exodus chapter 34 verses 6 to 7. The Lord, the compassionate and gracious God, slow to anger, abounding in love and faithfulness. Psalm chapter 86 verse 15 beautifully states, "But you, Lord, are a compassionate and gracious God, slow to anger, abounding in love and faithfulness." Lamentations chapter 3 verses 22 to 23 assures us, "Because of the Lord's great love we are not consumed, for his compassion never fails. They are new every morning, great is your faithfulness." Micah chapter 7 verse 18 asks, "Who is a God like you, who pardons sin and forgives the transgression of the remnant of his inheritance? You do not stay angry forever but delight to show mercy." Isaiah chapter 54 verse 10 reassures us, "Though the mountains be shaken and the hills be removed, yet my unfailing love for you will not be shaken, nor my covenant of peace be removed." In Psalm chapter 103 verse 8, we read, "The Lord is compassionate and gracious, slow to anger, abounding in love." In Ezekiel chapter 36 verse 26, God promises, "I will give you a new heart and put a new spirit in you. I will remove from you your heart of stone and give you a heart of flesh." Matthew chapter 5 verse 7 tells us, "Blessed are the merciful, for they will be shown mercy." Ephesians chapter 2 verses 4 to 5 reminds us, "But because of his great love for us, God, who is rich in mercy, made us alive with Christ even when we were dead in transgressions." In Hebrews chapter 4 verse 16, we are encouraged, "Let us then approach God's throne of grace with confidence, so that we may receive mercy and find grace to help us in our time of need." James chapter 2 verse 13 states, "Judgment without mercy will be shown to anyone who has not been merciful. Mercy triumphs over judgment." Titus chapter 3 verse 5 emphasizes, "He saved us, not because of righteous things we had done, but because of his mercy." In 1 Peter chapter 1 verse 3, we find, "Praise be to the God and Father of our Lord Jesus Christ. In his great mercy, he has given us new birth into a living hope." John chapter 3 verse 17 reminds us, "For God did not send his Son into the world to condemn the world, but to save the world through him." In Romans chapter 5 verse 8, we see, "But God demonstrates his own love for us in this: while we were still sinners, Christ died for us." Colossians chapter 3 verse 12 calls us, "Therefore, as God's chosen people, holy and dearly loved, clothe yourselves with compassion, kindness, humility, gentleness and patience." Romans chapter 12 verse 1 encourages, "Therefore, I urge you, brothers and sisters, in view of God's mercy, to offer your bodies as a living sacrifice, holy and pleasing to God." Finally, in Psalm chapter 51 verse 1, David cries, "Have mercy on me, O God, according to your unfailing love, according to your great compassion blot out my transgressions."